So we don't need to have protobhav, or we don't need to be pragalpa or dhira madhya or mugdha. Mugdha means foolish and innocent. We shouldn't be a foolish manjari. We should be very expert. So the only bhav and mood is dasi bhav. I'm a humble servant, dasosmi. That is the meaning of the word kinkari. Lord Chaitanya is indicating Manjari Bhav and Shikshastakam. I Nanda Tanuja Kinkaram. Patitam Bham Vishame Vavambado Kripya Tava Pakanja Stita Dili Sarvisham Vachintya. It says, I Nanda Nandanam. I Nanda, I son of Nanda, I Nanda Nandan. I am your kinkar. Because he's a male, he's speaking as a male. But the Bhav is female, because he's Radharani's Bhav. Because a male, Gauranga is speaking, then in Sanskrit is male. Male is kinkar. Kinkar or kinkaram. Female is kinkari. Ayi Nanda Tanuja. Tanuja. Tanu means body. Ja means born from. Born from the body of Nanda. Hey Nanda Nandan. Ayi Nanda Tanuja kinkaram. I am your kinkar. I am your servant. But so then when Lord Chaitanya is speaking, he's also speaking this verse as a prayer. He's speaking this verse as a prayer before Rath Yatra. While he's looking at Lord Jagannath on his chariot and about to start the parade, and Lord Chaitanya offers 4 prayers to Brajendra Nandan Shyamsundar, whom everyone else calls Jagannath. Naham vipro nacha narapatir napi vaishyo nishudro naham varni nacha krihapatir no vanashtoya tirava kentu prodyan nikala paramananda paranabritab there gopi bartu padakamalir das. So there, this prayer is being spoken by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. It's in the Madhya Lila Chaitanya Charitamrita. He's looking at Brajendra Nandan Shyamsundar, Krishna, Murlidhar, but he's looking through the Mahabhav eyes, he's looking through the Mahabhav heart of Madanakya Mahabhav Srimati Radharani. But because he's a male speaking this verse, and he wrote the Shikshastakam when he spoke this verse, the gender of the verbs and the words are all male. So he's saying Gopi Bhartu Padakamalir Das Nardas. But Radharani, when she prays to Krishna, Bhartu means you're my master. Gopinath means master. It says Gopi Bhartu. Gopi Bhartu is another way of saying Gopinath. Bhartu means Nath, means controller. So Radharani is not a das. Lalita is not a das, she's a dasi. And Gopinath, the servants of Gopinath are not coward boys. The servants of Gopinath are not his mother and father. The word Gopinath is in Madhurya only for Madhura Rati. So this is Gopi Bhartu Padakamalir Dasana Dasana Dasa. This is Lord Chaitanya's prayer. But really, that's called Parokshavad. The real meaning is that Radharani is speaking this verse because Krishna is in the bhav and mood of Radharani, and Jagannath is Krishna. Radharani is looking at Krishna. Radharani's heart, looking through the eyes of Mahaprabhu.